The Exploring Your Identity Abroad series is a collaborative effort between all the UC campuses to provide identity-based study abroad workshops, panels, and information sessions for UC students across the UC system.
This series is about making sure our diverse student bodies feel welcomed and supported in exploring study abroad. And it's also about preparing our students for the study abroad in the context of their diverse and intersecting identities.
While studying abroad in a way can present students with rewarding lifelong experiences, it does not come without challenges, and some of these challenges may be directly related to their identities.
Our world is full of diverse people with all kinds of experiences, and it's important all students, and regardless of background, have the opportunity to explore it.
This series is about sharing perspectives, addressing biases, and building a more equitable and effective decision-making process within education abroad.
Here at EAP, we really do believe that study abroad is for everyone.
No two students are the same, and similarly, no two experiences abroad are the same.
To learn more about student identity considerations in a Study Abroad Our Way program, we hope you will join either one or all of these sessions.
Cada campus de la Universidad de California ofrecerán una diferente sesión durante el año académico. Esperamos contar con su presencia.
Únanse para aprender.
More information on dates and times will be forthcoming.
We hope to see you at the series.
And remember to click, post, and share this information with your students.
Please stay tuned for more details.
We hope to see you at the series.
We hope to see you at the series.
Take it away.
Únanse para aprender.